Hello viewers, let's learn how can we add info cards or cards to a video which is earlier uploaded. You will also see how can we upload multiple cards for advertisement of your other video while others watching your videos. We will also see how we can edit an earlier card and how can we display our personal message during the display of our info card or card. On screen please. So now let's open YouTube and then come to your channel logo or picture, then come to YouTube Studio and now go to content, and in content we will proceed further for selecting the video. So click pencil like sign for edit and now click editor. Now we will proceed further to info cards. This is the previous info card, so in case if we play it, it will display, or we may also edit it so you can see that during play it's played. Now click this pencil like sign to edit it. And below is custom message, so let's go and first select. Let me change the JAWS video in shape of your phone video. It's done. Now the video has been changed. However, you can also change the timings, or you can bring it to start, mid, or any other point. You can also drag the white pencil like sign. Let's play it and you can see it's almost in the beginning of the video. So if I change the timing, I can drag it when the arrow become four-headed arrow, or let's just play it. Now it's almost at the end of the display. Now let's click plus card to add another card. I can add video, playlist, channel, or link. So let me add a playlist. Now playlist and a video has been added. So I can also change the place by dragging, or I can also change the timing above to display the card on appropriate where the discussion regarding previous video comes. So just go and let's see its display. It's first playlist card, and after that you will shortly see the video card. I can also add custom message by typing below. So click save, and if I save it, so it will be display on the timings which I earlier mentioned, or if I discard it, so that would be gone. Now if I delete this, so let me delete the video card. Now the video card has been deleted. However, the playlist card is still existing. So this is the name of the video list, and below I can type custom message. So let me bring it once again, click delete, and now only the card of playlist is available. So let's click play and that's displayed. So click save, or you can also discard changes. Through this way you can add multiple cards to your viewer about your other videos. Now it's full screen view and it has been displayed. So this is the best way to promote your video or channel or any other link. So I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.